everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Soul Lady Hair. This is one of their salt and pepper wigs. I'm quite excited to show you how I got this wig to what it looks like right now. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So I am starting off this video with the unit itself. This one is from Soul Lady Hair, and this is their salt and pepper wig. I have this salt and pepper wig. It is more pepper than salt, so it has a little bit more gray streaks in there. This is for those who are transitioning into the gray, but it's not quite gray yet. So this is what it will look like straight out of the packaging. I went ahead and cut some hair off with this one because I wanted to fit ear to ear perfectly for me, so I decided to go ahead and cut that lace off camera. But in terms of the lace with this, I'm going to show you how I pretty much customize it to my own liking. Nothing crazy fancy, but I'm going to show you first of all what I use to cut the lace. So what I do is I get this craft scissors that I got off of Amazon. I would leave all the links down below to where you can get these items. But this is my craft scissors, and I like doing this because it will give the lace a jagged edge, so it will come off more natural. So what I'm going to do here is cut the lace. So I do this, I typically like to cut the lace before I put it on. It's just easier for me that way. And this is the result of cutting the lace, so it looks pretty good. Now the next step that I like to do is fold the wig side out like this, and the lace portion that you see here, I'm gonna add my lace tint spray. It's basic the same shade, well, close to my skin tone, so I just spray it. So this is the result of the unit fully sprayed with the lace tint spray, so it looks a lot closer to my skin tone. So that's what I like. Now let me try it on. I can't wait to try this on. Before I go into that, it had an adjustable band, but it did not work for me. I don't know, adjustable band don't seem to work that well with me. I don't know. It's a bit tight, so I'm gonna go in raw dog it. All right, so now that the wig is on, you can see how natural it looks there with the lace tint spray. It looks pretty good in terms of the lace parting. It looks a little bit more natural. So that's what I like about it. So far, this is what the wig would look like with it on. Nothing. This is what it would look like. So let me get back to you all once I put the heat on it. Now I'm gonna add my wax stick in between at the top so that it's a little bit flatter. It's a bit poofy for my liking, so I'm just gonna add it in between here and use my hot comb to flatten it down in between, so that way it has a nice flat look to it. I don't know, with this particular side, it's a little bit more poofier than the other side, but I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So as y'all can see, I'm just pulling it through so that I could flatten it down a little bit flatter, because I really want this to lay down pretty good. I don't know if y'all know this, but the hairline is looking pretty good. I haven't added any spray like this, like any adhesives. I was thinking about it, but it's really up to you. If you want an all-day stay, you're not really using it to lay down for a week or more, and you're just doing it like an everyday thing, you can do that. So as you can see, it's flattening down pretty nicely. And I'm just going to do the same thing on this side, on that side, so that way it looks good. Let me show you that hairline again. Ooh, it's looking good. Going in with my flat iron, and I'm going to straighten out the bumps in this wig so that it looks a little bit more smooth. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you more about the wig. So the wig is a glueless kind of wig. It's meant to be one of those throw-on and go type of units. It is a human hair unit, so you can definitely dye this, perm this, do whatever you would like. It is a human hair unit, and that's what I like about it. It is quite versatile, and it's pretty smooth. As you can see here, it goes through the hair like butter. So what I'm doing here is just flat ironing it, just so that it looks nice and smooth. I do like how easy this is going through the hair. It's pretty good. I do like it. And so far I have no complaint. In terms of shedding and stuff, I'm not getting any of that. So that's pretty good. And the wig is taking the heat very well, which I do like a lot. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to continue to pass it through. But here it goes. This is one side, the flat ironed. And here's the other side. It's looking kind of scary. But I really like how it's turning out so far. It is cute and silky smooth. So let me go ahead and finish up this wig and I will give you all the detail at the end. Now that I'm satisfied with the flat ironing process, now I am going in with my tinted lace wig powder. This is from Red by Kiss and I have it in the color medium brown. And what I do is I just swirl it around in the pan with this little brush. And I go into the parting space and I pretty much add a little touch of color that's a tad bit lighter than my skin tone so that it looks a little bit more true to the scalp. And that's what I do with this lace powder here. So it kind of adds a little bit more definition to the parting space. If you get a little bit more than usual, you just tap it off a little bit and you add and remove as you go. So that's pretty much my process with this particular wig. And so far I am liking how this wig turned out. It is quite lightweight, which is great as well. So if you're someone that is transitioning into your gray hair and you're not quite confident in your natural hair at the moment, this is a great wig for you to start off with from Soul Lady Hair. It is a nice length as well. This is what they will consider in 16-inch, what they sent me, which isn't bad. It's great to start off with as well. So it is very good in terms of the weight of it. It feels nice and silky, especially when you are out here using with this heat. You don't want the hair to be too heavy. And also the texture of this wig is a kind of yaki texture that gives off a natural type of blowout look, which I do like as well. As far as any cons, I don't have any cons with this wig. This wig is pretty good in terms of the construction and the versatility of this wig. You can definitely glue this down. This is what it looks like underneath. And then I just put it back and there you have it. The hairline is excellent. I really like the hairline. It looks really good as well. And as far as the length is pretty good too. All in all, the wig is a pretty good wig, especially if you're transitioning from black to gray and you don't want too much salt in it. This one has a moderate amount. It's not super duper obvious, but I'm pretty sure some of you out there do have streaks of gray like this coming in, and this is pretty natural. To me, it looks quite natural and it looks good too. I'm feeling it. I don't have grays coming out like this. Well, not yet, but it's nice that there are wigs out there that you can pretty much relate to and have something that would match what your hair really looks like. But to get a feel of it, have a wig that you could put on and feel a bit comfortable in, especially in those transitional stages, I think this is a great unit for you to try out from Soul Lady Hair. Now, if you're interested in where you can purchase this unit, I would leave a link right down below so you all can go and check it out, or any sort of coupons that I can find or I personally probably will have. I will leave it down below so you all can go ahead and check it out. They do have a lot more other gray wigs specialized in these types of units, especially for those who are transitioning with their gray hair or fully gray. It's for everyone, so you can definitely go ahead and check it out. So thank you so much, Soul Lady Hair, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.